go! Ooh, so many stress balls! And there's splat balls back there! What are you doing, Miss Hands? Well, Fizzy, we're gonna cut open all of these stress balls and we're gonna put mesh over our splat balls and see what happens. Ooh, let's get this crazy splat ball, mesh ball party started! Yeah!
The Fizzy Toy Show!
Hi everyone! Welcome to the Fizzy Toy Show and welcome to a big stress ball and splat ball show! We're going to cut open every one of these stress balls and mix all the slime together, and we're going to put mesh over our splat balls and see what happens. Up first, we have Angry Bird Red. When you squish him, he does that. And when you splat him, he does that. So let's see what he does when we put mesh over him. Whoa! One giant bubble. Another giant bubble. Pretty cool, Red. Earlier, I was trying out the mesh with our rat splat ball. Look what happened. It popped. Here's our frog splat ball. When we squeeze it, we get a big green bubble. And when we splat it, it looks like that. Now, let's put some mesh on it and see what happens. Whoa, a giant bubble. Look, you can look inside of it. Oh, that's so cool. Let's see if we can get more than one bubble. 2 bubbles. Can we go for 3? Yes, whoa, oh, they disappear quickly. Come on, 3. Nice. So here's our egg. When we squeeze it, we get big giant bubbles. And it does this when we splat it. Now let's see what happens when we put it in mesh. What's gonna happen? Whoa, lots of bubbles, lots of bubbles. Whoa, that is so cool. And I can see all the stress balls in the background there. And here's our minion splat ball. It's getting all the mesh fuzz on it and looks pretty dirty. Let's give it a good squish. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. And let's give it a good splat. Let's see what it does when we put the mesh on it. Whoa, 2 bubbles. Come on, more bubbles. There's one I see inside. Can we get 2 bubbles? Just one, come on. Come on, we want 2. Oh, a giant one. 2 bubbles, 2 bubbles. Ah, I can only get 1 bubble. Come on, 2 bubbles right now. Oh, just 1 giant one. And here's the one I cut the mesh off of. It's green now, but watch. Wow, it's blue inside. Let's start cutting these open and start with this one. We're cutting them all open and we're gonna see what it looks like when all of the slime is mixed together. Look at all that bright blue slime. Let's squeeze it out. Blah. There's even more in there. I'm gonna make a bubble and then cut it. Whoa, yuck, ew. Let's do that through this bubble. Oh, yucky. Let's see if we can squeeze it all out through that hole. Oh my goodness, that is just looking pretty gross. Let's see if we can make another bubble. Oh, almost. Let's cut it. There it is. Let's cut all of these. There's a big one. Whoa. And squeeze it out. Okay, I like this cutting the bubble method. Let's try it with this green one. Oh, now it's blue. Let's see if we can get a giant bubble to cut. That one looks pretty good. Let's cut it. Whoa! Let's cut these. Whoa! Oh! Ew! Ew! Squeeze it all out. I think we need some pink in there. Time to get cutting. Whoa! Whoa! Let's squeeze it out. Let's make a bigger hole so we can get it all out. There's a nice big blob. Blech, blech. So far, it's looking pretty colorful. Whoa, I just folded it over. Ah, look, now there's some green in there. Speaking of green, let's cut some green in there. Ooh, look at all these bubbles we can cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's cut this one. 6. Ooh, that's some good sloppy ooze coming out of here. Pretty big pile of ooze we got. What color next? We have 2 oranges, so let's cut it open. How many can I cut? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, a little one disappeared. Let's squeeze them out. And let's make sure we get it all out by cutting it with a big hole and turning it inside out. There was more in there. Okay, time for some pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm going for 6. 6, 7. And remember guys, always be very careful with scissors if you're cutting. Especially something like this because I was cutting pretty close to my finger, so I'm being very careful when I do. Let's get all of our goo out. Let's get some more blue in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, 7. We're making a pretty colorful slime pond. I think we need some green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, I think that's the highest number of bubbles we've cut today. And I know this might seem a little bit wasteful, but guys, I'm gonna reuse this slime in future shows. So it will not be going to waste. Oh, look at all those pink bubbles. Let's start cutting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I got 7. Let's get the last little bit out. Whoa! And last but not least, let's get some yellow in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. A big number 8 to end our cutting. Let's get it all out. That is a lot of colorful slime. Cannonball! Woo! Cannonball again! Woo! Hey Chase, what do you think of our slime pool? It is pretty awesome! Chase, are you falling in? Oh no, poor Chase. Chase, you look like you need some friends. Like a minion. An egg. Red. Whoa! And a frog. And one final thing. Let's take everyone out of the slime and mix it all together. Wow! Blah! Blah! This is turning into some pretty cool, colorful slime. Blah!
Oh, what a crazy show. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Let me grab a spider leg. Spider, spider, spider. Scary, scary spider.